This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Draining. Set the parking brake and block the rear wheels. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Place a drain pan under the radiator drain plug. Drain the radiator by opening the drain plug at the bottom of the radiator. If equipped, remove the under-engine splash guard if more access is needed for the drain plug. Allow time for the coolant to drain out of the radiator completely. Lower the vehicle. Slide back the hose clamp, then disconnect the radiator hose from the thermostat cover fitting. If the outer surface of the large fitting that mates with the hose is deteriorated, corroded, pitted, etc., the thermostat housing cover will have to be replaced. Disconnect the electrical connector from the thermostat cover. Remove the thermostat cover bolts and detach the housing cover. If the cover is stuck, tap it with a soft-faced hammer to jar it loose. Be prepared for some coolant to spill as the gasket seal is broken. Note how it's installed, with the jiggle pin up and the notch in the gasket in its recess. Then remove the thermostat. Remove all traces of old gasket material and/or sealant from the housing and cover. If not already done, install a new rubber gasket over the thermostat in the correct orientation. Install the new thermostat in the housing without using sealant. Make sure the jiggle pin is at the top, the notch in the gasket is fitted in the recess, and the spring end is directed into the engine. Install the housing cover and bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the electrical connector to the thermostat housing. Reconnect the hose and secure it with the hose clamp. Refilling. With the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position, slowly add the proper mixture of new coolant into the radiator until coolant reaches the base of the filler neck. Now add coolant to the reservoir until it reaches the full cold mark. Wait a few minutes, then recheck the coolant level in the radiator, adding some if necessary. Install the radiator cap.